Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to another video, and today is another exciting video. And why is it exciting? It's because I've received some gifts from a couple of my favorite automotive manufacturers. I say a couple, I know in the title it only mentions the Lamborghini, but I have a surprise present from another manufacturer that we're all very excited to welcoming on this channel. But more of that shortly. Let's see what Lamborghini have given us. Okay guys, so what do I think could be in this box? I have no idea. It's been a while since I've received some gifts from Lamborghini. I do like unboxing stuff. Oh god, there we are. It's got to be something special. This one is the key one. Oh, there we are. That's what I think I am sometimes. Voila! Ta-da! Check this out. Wow! Isn't that beautiful? Let's pull her out. Park. I'm going to take the glass lid off. Obviously, I will display it always with the glass box. And there you have it. My one-of-one Viola Ashifa Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Finished in the color that we designed. It is a one-off. And there is a brochure in here from MR Collection Models, which make such high-quality models. And in this, they have mentioned that this is a one-off production. So this is the only Lamborghini Aventador SVJ car model finished in this color in the world, just like my actual car, just the way I like it. So inshallah, this will sit beautifully alongside my other models, and I hope to add more to them. That's for the 1/18 scale. I am awaiting another large car model from a very special manufacturer that costs a pretty penny, but more of that coming soon. Now, going on to the other manufacturer, I hear you say. What else? Who else has sent you a gift, Aleem? Well, it's the one we've all been waiting for. This is a box that I have received from Bugatti a few days ago. The time is near. The Chiron is on its way, and these are the type of gifts Bugatti send you to tease you, to excite you, to make sure that those last few sleeps that you've had go a lot slower than they normally do. So yes, this week has gone by for me very, very slow, waiting for my car. And then Bugatti send over this beautiful box, which has got some beautiful weight. It's finished, the craftsmanship on it is second to none. It's one of the most beautiful boxes I've seen. And inside it, we have something that looks very familiar to the Bugatti Chiron speed key. Now the speed key unlocks the top speed of the car, which is 261 miles per hour. And this is a USB stick. It has some serious weight to it. It's high quality. And on the USB stick, there is a video of the Chiron and a brochure, Chiron brochure. But more importantly, this now becomes the case, the travel case for your Bugatti Chiron speed key when it arrives. So you replace the USB stick with the Chiron key and you put it in there, and you can keep that in the car. So when you're traveling or on the go, you ever feel like wanting to reach the full potential of the car, the speed key is at hand, because you'll see soon that the speed key actually arrives in a big aluminium box, beautifully crafted, so you can't be towing that with you everywhere. So very smart of you to do that for Bugatti. I've also got a file here from Bugatti, which I have documented absolutely everything from start to finish of my purchase. I've got some beautiful letters from Bugatti, Molsheim. I mean, I'm going to read you one out. This is from Bugatti with the high-speed key. Dear Mr. Iqbal, bringing the idea of the world's most powerful supercar to life is a long and complex road. Every detail is vital to creating a machine that is more than the sum of its parts. A car that is head-turning in its performance and turns heads as it glides past. In order to thank you for being one of 500 people owning a Bugatti Chiron, we are very happy to send you enclosed an exclusive Bugatti box, which is this, containing a numbered USB stick in the shape of the iconic high-speed key. On the USB stick, you will find a detailed Chiron brochure and launch film. The real high-speed key in your Chiron unlocks its full performance, giving you the freedom to push it to its limits. And what limits they are. The Chiron does 261 miles per hour. It has 1,500 brake horsepower and has 1,600 Newton meters of torque. It is the most powerful, the most luxurious, and certainly the most exclusive production super sports car on the planet. And they believe that this letter and this box serves as a reminder of why I have chose to be amongst the 500 to own this remarkable car. They thank me for my commitment and end it with "Viva la marque." Beautiful. Well, thank you for just topping up my excitement levels there, Bugatti, but I'm already very, very excited. Can we just please hurry and send my car? I am just too excited. These nights are not passing. I don't know how I'm surviving, but inshallah it arrives very soon. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share and like for more. And you already know there is some incredible content heading your way. Guys, thank you for all the support. Make sure you subscribe, share, like, and I'll see you soon for more videos. Take it easy. God bless. Bye-bye.